Hello dear friends, this is Flora from Zenshin Ikebana School. Today I'm going to introduce 5 arrangements I just created recently, and I didn't use any flowers from flower shop. I just use the material I can get from my garden. So it could be simple, like this one, only one material. It's almost the last beautiful glance of this geranium, but it's very nice combination when you feel the contrast between the dark container and the blood red flower, and also the contrast between flower and the leaves itself, and both got similar shape, but I use this 3 color spot to create nice line, straight line. And also from here you can notice there are 3 points of each end, create triangle shape. This is quite important in Sogetsu arrangement too. With these 3 points you can create nice structure, and also you need to consider how to fix the material. With this one, basically I use the structure of lower part of the leaves itself to fix the material, let them hold each other, so we can enjoy from different angles. And you can see the beautiful lines and nice feel the airflow. Okay, now it comes to this arrangement. I use the tall vase I make on my own, and this tall vase has interesting extension of this surface, and I use this, I create this shape to reflect the shape of the container itself. But the funny thing will be, here you can see it's the subject. You can see this surface got color, and here this is empty. I create an empty surface, but it has been filled with color. So this is interesting. In Asian aesthetic idea, we know yin and yang, so this is funny composition. I hope you enjoyed it, and also can check more details. Here these holes make empty space, and here I use the little flowers to fill in these empty spaces, but the space give you let yourself to imagine it exists because of this contrast. And you can enjoy empty space everywhere. There are empty space, but it creates the whole picture, whole world. And also you can check from this side. It's not just flat, it's three-dimensional, and this line brings you uplifting feeling. And even here, this part goes down, but it's very light. It won't drag you down. In fact, it lift you up. So I hope you enjoy this arrangement. And now we comes to this one. It's more abstract arrangement, but we can still enjoy the only little flowers on the top very much. And also you see how we use this material, which are no more flower on it, but itself got very interesting dots, and I can fix them all together, build them up. This structure at the end using, in fact, I put it upside down. So this is the interesting part of Sogetsu arrangement. Sometimes you're gonna use your material with unusual way, and then you create unusual arrangement. This is part of the Sogetsu school. Okay, and also you feel the movement goes up, and this extension is created by these lines. And also asymmetric. It's not straight in the middle. It tends to show you the balance of nice slanting structure. But we can check carefully of these nice empty spaces. So I choose a darker background for presenting this arrangement. And I only use one material, but I do use each possibility of the material itself to create this work. Hello dear friends, let's check this arrangement. This is Moribana using Kensan and more than one materials. Also you can see different colors. Even this material are the same, but this one has been dried out, and the others still very nice with green color, but it can create interesting contrast, also present the past and the future, and also present. Now the flowers blooming. This not yet, but you feel this material give you uplifting feeling. Also, you can enjoy the combination between materials, its colors. Also, even from back, you can see very nice curve of these lines. This is an important in Sogetsu School. If you want to emphasize beautiful lines, then you have to present it. No extra expression needed. In fact, if you can open up your eyes, you see what the arrangement want to tell you, how beautiful it is. Okay, then let's enjoy it. Pay attention and calm down to enjoy the nice little space which the work has been created, and also the beauty of each details of each materials in each corner. I hope you enjoyed this one. So now we come to floating flowers. And it's not flat. You really need to feel it is floating above the water. And also you can enjoy each details of the material itself. And it also depends on how you arrange it, which part you want to present to the audience. So I'll say this beautiful shape or corner or space is what I want to present to you. And also can check detail of this stem itself. It's not a stick. It's life. You know, the Ikebana is a living art. You can still feel still alive. Even I have already cut off the stem. It's from another arrangement, since the material getting older, but still it can be used for floating flowers. And also you can notice the pattern of the container itself, the similarity to this material, this cabbage, beautiful cabbage. And you also can enjoy this little corner. It's three-dimensional work. Even it's floating flowers, you still need to create this beautiful shape in order to guide the viewer to appreciate the nice arrangement. And the breaking point is here. You can check if I feel this petal here, then you feel it's too full, it's too much. There's no way to breathe. So you need to give out a nice space for them. I can even get rid of it and let the color talk to each other. Okay, I hope you like this arrangement too.